All right, so I'm sure that you are aware of the rap beef that's going on between Drake and Kendrick Lamar. All right, and this is one of the best rap beefs probably ever, right? And what makes it so dope is because Drake and Kendrick can rap their ass off, and they just been dropping song after song, just dogging each other. I mean, it's getting a little crazy, but it's very, very, very entertaining. It's like Kendrick started with just like he dropped some lines in the song, and then Drake came back with a song called Push Ups where he was just dogging Kendrick. Then Kendrick came back with like Meet the Grams and Euphoria, and then Drake dropped Family Matters. So the internet is just going crazy talking about Drake versus Kendrick Lamar. Now, me personally, I think, my personal opinion, I think Drake is winning right now as I'm recording this video, right? And mainly just because I'm gonna say I just like Drake's delivery, the way he be flowing, the way he be saying shit, just be like, damn, killing this nigga. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. As I'm watching all of these videos, YouTubers talking about Drake versus Kendrick, who's winning, right? Everybody doing reactions to every song that Kendrick or Drake drop, right? There's reactions everywhere. There's people actually dropping the songs, re-uploading them, you name it. But the point is, a lot of people besides Drake and Kendrick Lamar are making some serious cash off of their rap beef. People are monetizing Drake's and Kendrick's skills, right? And how dope is that? Because when you do a search on Drake versus Kendrick Lamar, or new Drake diss or new Kendrick diss song, you look at all the results on YouTube, these videos are getting thousands of views, right? From people they don't even got huge YouTube channels, but when they talk about Drake, when they talk about Kendrick Lamar, all of a sudden they're getting thousands of views, right? And if these channels are monetized, you already know they're getting paid. And why people making so much money off of this rap beef is because they are dropping so much content. All right, it ain't like, oh, Kendrick dropped one diss track and then Drake dropped a diss track and that's it, right? You could do a couple reaction videos. Nah. You can talk about so many things related to this rap beef that is going to get you views. And that's what people are doing. They're just talking about who they think is winning the rap beef. They're talking about each individual song. They're breaking them down. They're just giving their opinion, and they're actually making money. And another thing, this is actually a good idea if you got an opinion or you care, to make content about this, even if your channel's not monetized yet. Talking about Drake versus Kendrick can actually help your channel get monetized, right? Because it'll help you get those that 4,000 watch hours and them 1,000 subscribers if people rock with your content, right? But it definitely can help you get them hours. Even if, I'm going against the grain, even if your channel might not be about Drake or rapping or Kendrick Lamar or entertainment, right? Hey, get them views, right? Get monetized. And if you need to pivot your channel later, then so be it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no rule saying you can't switch up your content if you want to, right? But right now, you best believe a lot of people are cashing in on this Drake versus Kendrick Lamar rap beef. Oh, and by the way, who do you think is winning?